In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search multiple destinations on Google Flights. Let's start with a common scenario. You're planning a trip that involves flying to more than one city. This could be a multi-city vacation, a business trip with stops in various locations, or any journey that doesn't fit the simple one-way or round-trip mold. Google Flights, a powerful, user-friendly tool, can simplify this process considerably. But how exactly do you leverage this tool to plan a trip with multiple destinations? I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First things first, head over to Google Flights. You can do this by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your browser's address bar. This link takes you directly to the Google Flights interface, a comprehensive platform that lets you explore flight options. Once you're on the Google Flights page, you'll want to ensure you're signed in for a more personalized experience. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to choose a Google account for use with Google Flights. If you're already logged into a Google account on your browser, this may happen seamlessly. Otherwise, you'll need to select the account you wish to use or sign in with your Google credentials. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your Google password. Go ahead and type it in the designated field. Then, click Next to proceed. This step is essential for accessing your saved trips, preferences, and to sync your searches across devices. Now that you're signed in, it's time to start planning your multi-city journey. You'll notice a round-trip drop-down menu at the top of the search interface. Click on this drop-down. Here you're given flight type options, choose multi-city. This selection is crucial as it shifts the search functionality from looking for simple one-way or round-trip flights to a more complex multi-stop search. With the multi-city option selected, you can now add your various destinations. Google Flights allows you to input several cities, letting you tailor your search to match the exact itinerary of your trip. For each leg of your journey, you can specify departure and arrival cities, along with preferred travel dates. This flexibility is invaluable for planning a trip with multiple stops, as it lets you see flight options and combinations that you might not have considered otherwise. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your Google Flights experience. 1. Asterisk asterisk. Flexible dates asterisk asterisk. If you're flexible with your travel dates, Google Flights offers features that allow you to explore date combinations that could save you money. Utilize the calendar view to see how prices fluctuate. 2. Asterisk asterisk. Price tracking. Asterisk asterisk. Once you've set up your multi-city search, you can toggle on price tracking for your specified route. Google Flights will then notify you of price changes, helping you book at the optimal time. 3. Asterisk asterisk. Explore map asterisk asterisk. Not sure where you want to go? Use the Explore feature available on Google Flights to see prices for different destinations from your departure city, which can be helpful if you're planning a trip but are open to suggestions on where to head first. In summary, planning a trip with multiple destinations has never been easier than with Google Flights. By selecting the multi-city option, you can tailor your search to match your exact itinerary, explore a variety of routing options, and even discover ways to save on your trip. Whether you're zigzagging across continents or planning a multi-stop business trip, Google Flights streamlines the process, making travel planning a breeze. So that's how you search multiple destinations on Google Flights. Happy travels, and may your journey be as smooth and efficient as your planning process.